Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply turn off Google Assistant on your Android device. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to your Google. I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon. The next thing you need to do is simply scroll down and go to settings. Then go to Google Assistant. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down until you get to General. So click on General. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn off this button. Turn off Google Assistant. When turn off, your assistant will no longer respond when you say "I Google." What you need to do is to simply click on turn off. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off Google Assistant on Android device. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.